In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the Crew 2 with steering wheel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a steering wheel to play the Crew 2. So, of course, go ahead and plug it into your computer or console according to the manufacturer's instructions. For this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions, but if you have a specific model that needs a specific way of being set up, then follow the instructions included in there. For the most part, you will just have to connect a USB cable into any of the available USB ports on your computer or console. After you do this and it is detected, download any necessary software or drivers if needed. So for example, the Logitech software if you are using a Logitech steering wheel. Next, launch the Crew 2 on PC or console and open the in-game menu. So press the pause button or the appropriate menu button on your controller, navigate to the options, and in there you will be able to change the control settings. So when you open it up, go over to general controls and you will be able to select the wheel icon. It's very important that you choose the steering wheel options. So if you see a keyboard icon, a controller icon, and a steering wheel icon, all that you have to do is highlight the steering wheel icon, and then you will be able to change every single keybind attributed to that steering wheel. You can change individual aspects about the wheel, and once this is done related to the actual controls, you will be able to go back and go into the wheel settings, where you can change a lot of stuff referring to feedback and so on. So you will be able to change force feedback, gearbox, the wheel range, and so on. And for this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to change these. I recommend that you look for recommendations on YouTube and other platforms, and you will be able to play the Crew 2 using your steering wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the Crew 2 with steering wheel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.